In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a customer quote in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're just getting started with QuickBooks or looking to refine your quote creation process, these steps will guide you through seamlessly creating an estimate for your customers in just a few minutes. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you're going to want to sign into QuickBooks Online. Begin by navigating to the QuickBooks website and clicking on the Sign In option. Make sure to have your account information handy, as you'll be asked to enter your credentials. Once you've typed in your details, click Continue to access your account. Now that you're in, look for the New option at the top left of your screen. This is where you'll begin creating a new transaction. When you click on New, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Estimate. An estimate in QuickBooks is essentially a customer quote, and this feature will allow you to draft out a potential sale for your customer effortlessly. Next, it's time to add the customer details. You'll be prompted to choose a customer from your list. If the customer isn't listed yet, you can easily add a new one by entering their information. Ensure that you fill in their email address, as this will be important when it's time to send out the estimate. After providing the customer details, the next step is setting crucial dates. Add both the estimate date and the expiration date, which informs your customer how long the quoted prices are valid. Being precise with these dates helps manage expectations and streamlines follow-ups. Following this, it's essential to specify what products or services you're quoting. Under the product or service section, list each item or service along with the respective rates and quantities. This section is vital for clarity in the overall quote. Additionally, if there are any supporting documents, images, or files to include with this estimate, now is your chance to attach them. Adding attachments can be particularly useful to provide further context or to furnish necessary documentation alongside the estimate. Once you've filled out all necessary fields and attached any files, you can proceed to reach out to your client. Click on Save and Send. You'll be taken to an email form within QuickBooks where you can add a subject line and compose the body of the email, tailoring the message for your client to ensure clarity and professionalism. The final step is to simply hit Send. That's it. Your customer will receive the estimate via email, initiating the conversation for potential business. Don't forget, estimates in QuickBooks are non-posting transactions, meaning they don't affect your accounts until they're converted to invoices. Thank you for following along today, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful in enhancing your business operations with QuickBooks Online.